Officer Buckle bowed again and again. But that night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. Look at the expression on, you ever heard the expression hang dog? And you sort of know you've done something wrong and you don't want anybody else to know. Gloria is getting found out. The next day, the principal of Knappville School telephoned the police station. "Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech." Officer Buckle frowned. "I'm not giving any more safety speeches. Nobody looks at me anyway." "Oh?" said Mrs. Topple. "Well, how about Gloria? Could she come?" Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to the school, and Gloria sat on stage, looking very lonely. And then she fell asleep, and so did the audience. After Gloria left, Knappville School had its biggest accident ever. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, splush. Everyone slid smack into Mrs. Topple, who screamed, "Ah!" and let go of her hammer. Thumbtacks were flying. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. And at the bottom of the pile was a note written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled, and the note said, "Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. P.S. Don't worry, I was wearing my safety helmet, which was safety tip number 7. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose, and Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Safety tip number 101. Always stick with your buddy. But this is what most American police officers look like, and you could recognize them when you see them in the street, when they're directing traffic or stopping speeders or chasing robbers or just making sure that our environment is safe for all of us. But all police officers all over the world don't look like that. Some police officers look like this in other countries. Can anybody tell me what country I would be in if you saw a police officer looking like this? I would be called a bobby. A bobby. I would not carry a gun. I would only have a walkie-talkie and a whistle. Sorry. And handcuffs and a nightstick. But I wouldn't carry a gun. What country would I be in? Yes? What country would I be in? I would be a policeman. Yes, that's... No, don't laugh at him. He's absolutely right. What country would I be living in if the police officer looked like this?
I don't know what.
Yes. Close. France is very close to where I'm thinking. No. It begins with an E. Somebody said it.
Egypt?
England. England. They call their police officers bobbies, and this is what they look like. But the most important thing is that all police officers have buddies, just like Gloria and Officer Buckle. They were buddies. So I guess the lesson that we want to take away from this book, aside from being entertained, is always travel with your buddy, and you'll be safe that way. Thank you for joining me, Liz Shanks, on this episode of Listen, Learn, and Grow. Our story today was Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathman. And always remember, you are what you read.
We're going on a wonderful ride, so cuddle up right by my side. It's time to open a brand new book, so let's sit down and take a look. Then listen closely and you can be anything your mind can see. A jet pilot, a circus clown, a ballerina of great renown. 'Cause it's the story, turn the page on the go your way. It's the story. Listen, learn, and grow. So gather round like the penguins do. They play together like me and you. Just like the penguins, we spread our wings. Our parents teach us so many things. Books can do the same for you. They teach your mind what it can do. Just like the melody makes the song, imagination will make it strong. 'Cause it's the story makes your mind let go. It's the story. Listen, learn, and grow. It's the story. Listen, learn.